Hi everyone, welcome to Kevin's Backyard. I have one of the best jobs ever. I get to go around the world teaching people about barbecue. I get to enjoy delicious barbecued food, and I even judge some competitions. And what makes every one of these experiences so unique is the barbecue rub that people use. Now, I've worked with some championship teams, I've worked with some amazing chefs, and they've taught me the art form of what makes a great barbecue rub. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my go-to barbecue rub. When making your own barbecue rub, you need to start with a base, and I use brown sugar. And this is where we start to get into the balancing act. I use black pepper, salt, granulated garlic, and onion to start bringing out flavor. I then use paprika to help with the color, use some oregano, add some extra heat with cayenne pepper, and finish it off with cumin. I then put all those ingredients either into a food processor or a hand mixer and combine them thoroughly. A barbecue rub is a reflection of you. Mine's a little loud. It's a mixture of hot and sweet. Just make sure you're tasting it before you put it on your food. If you're noticing it's a little too hot, add some sugar to sweeten it up. And if it's too sweet, add some spices to balance it out. It's all about what you like, so be adventurous. We've shown you what goes into my go-to barbecue rub. Now take the flavors you like and make it your own.